Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. This is Masood here and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn English with Masood. Student, today we are going to learn about the use of past indefinite with the combination of past continuous. That is past indefinite plus past continuous. This is very important with respect to any type of creative writing or explanations. Now, first of all, let's see past indefinite tense. In past indefinite tense, we use subject plus V second form of the verb plus object. For example, for all type of nouns, either it is he, she, singular noun or plural noun, we use second form of the verbs. For example, she made tea. Now here we have made as the second form of the verb. She made tea. And in negative, जब हम इसके negative बनाएंगे, she, yes, that is, did not make. Now here we have the first form of the verb after did not. She made tea and she did not make tea. Similarly, when we have interrogative form, we will use did in the beginning of the sentence, did, and then we have she make. Okay, again the first form is there. Did she make tea? This is your interrogative, and similarly we can use negative interrogative, that is, did she not make tea? Okay, this is your नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव. दिस इज इंट्रोगेटिव फॉर्म. इस वालिया है, ये आपका नफिस वालिया है, ये सिर्फ नेगेटिव है और ये एफर्मेटिव है. अब इसके बाद हम पास्ट कंटिन्यूस को देखते हैं. इसमें हमने क्या करना है, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे, वॉज, वर प्लस द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब with the addition of ing. This is called present participles. Okay, this form is called present participles, like present participles. Either it is used in past tense, present tense. This form is called present participle. Now examples: she was, yes, she was baking bread. Okay, she was baking bread. She was not baking bread. And in interrogative we use was in the beginning of the sentence. was शुरू में आ जाएगा, उसके बाद she, उसके बाद present participle bake with an addition of ing, baking bread. And this is your interrogative, and negative interrogative is with was, not come over here. She not baking bread. So this is your present indefinite form with the help of second form of the verb. This is also called simple past. When we use did not, we use first form of the verb, and did is there, so we have first form of the verbs. Now, how we use these sentences with the combination? Let's see. For example, yes, here we have adverb of time. When I saw, this is the second form. When I saw her, she, yes, she dash bread. So here we have when I saw her, like here we have alpha baking, beta was baking, and Charlie is there, that is baked, and the last one is delta. If we have this one is baking. Okay. Now see, here we have when, this is adverb of time. Adverb of time is there, it shows the continuity. When I saw her, जब मैंने उसे देखा, when I saw her, here we have comma, then we have a subordinated conjunction. When I saw her, she, yes, baking without helping verb, was baking, yes, this can be used over there. She was baking bread. She was baking bread. Similarly, if the second part is complete, so here you can have to fill up in the blanks. Now see, sometimes we have past indefinite in the form of conjunction, with the help of conjunction, like she made tea. She made tea. Now here we have a conjunction while. While. Now this is past indefinite tense. She made tea. उसने सुबह चाय बनाई while I was watching TV. While I was watching TV. जब मैं टीवी देख रहा था उसने चाय बनाई. एक देखिए ये टाइप आ गई. एक और टाइप होती है कि आप एक ही वक्त में दो काम परफॉर्म करते हैं. लाइक she sat, बैठी हुई थी, और she sat, उस वक्त वो टीवी देख रही थी, बैठी हुई थी और टीवी भी देख रही थी. she sat watching TV. इसमें एक ही नाउन जो है, एक ही सब्जेक्ट जो है वो दो काम इकट्ठे परफॉर्म करता है. This is called the complement of the object. This is called the complement of the object. अब कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, आपने उसमें पढ़ा होगा पठन में, she finished washing. She finished washing dishes. ठीक है. अब इसमें उसने क्या किया कि उसने एक ही शख्स ने दोनों काम परफॉर्म किए. अब हम देखते हैं कि दो बंदे हैं और कॉन्टिन्यूस में वो परफॉर्मेंस दे रहे हैं. मैं गा रहा था, I sang. ठीक है, मैं गा रहा था. While, here we have while. She was dancing. She was dancing. So here we have she was dancing, I sang. You can write this sentence in this form. She danced while I was singing. Okay, you've got the point. Now these are some of the types. Continuous में एक आपका indefinite में आ गया. When I saw her, she was baking bread. मैंने जब उसे देखा, when we reached there, the sun was rising. And here we have she made tea. उसने चाय बनाई उस वक्त. While I was watching TV. जब मैं टीवी देख रहा था. She sat, वो बैठी हुई भी थी और watch भी कर रही थी टीवी. तो this is the object of the verb. This is the object complement of the verb. ठीक है. I sat watching TV. I sat studying books. She finished washing dishes. इसी तरह आपने cleaning in the sky में पढ़ा होगा. I finished walking. So this is in button. And the next one is एक continuity है, दूसरी भी continuity है, लेकिन यहाँ पर different noun है. I sang, मैं गाना गा रहा था while she was singing. He danced while I was singing. So these are the common uses with the help of past continuous and past indefinite. So next time I will explain you past perfect with the help of past indefinite. So if you have any confusion or any questions, put your question in the comment box. I'll upload another video for you. Thank you.